Hello, my name is G002627008 and this is my video display of the project that we developed for professional practice in IT. But essentially the idea was to build an application or a cross-platform application which could, where a user could essentially indicate they were going to travel from one place to another, and that another person who would have the app could then see that journey and go to that place and carpool or whatever, which was the initial idea. So you can see it's a tab menu layout. It's an Ionic application, so it's running in a web browser, but this is obviously the Android emulated version that Chrome has. What you want to do is start off with login. Now, I'll log out first of all because I know I'm logged in. You'll see that if you go to plan a journey, click on this add button. You can see here the alert says to please log in to add a journey. And so it's required by the app essentially to be logged in, so I have my own account. So I'll log in again. This should give me a login success. So now I'll be able to plan a journey. So I'll start just by searching Galway, which is where I actually am at the moment. So search Galway, Ireland, and the map should then zoom in. And what I can do then is I can drag the blue, which counts as if you click on it the start of the journey, and the red is the end of the journey. So that's how a user would indicate this is how they know where they're going to say they're going to go from. And I'll press add, and it should give me another journey added. So now let's say for another user that would have the app on a different device, they could then open it up and they'd log in with their own email, and they'd go to map. Now the map page brings you up. It uses geolocation to find where you are at the moment, and you just click show journeys, and then this journey that I've just added in a few seconds ago is then available with the email address of the person who added it in. So that's something I'm supposed to build upon in the future, just that you actually have some information about who's adding the journey. And then finally there's just the manage journeys page, and this is the journey that I just added, or the addresses of where I've just added the journey from, and I can just delete this, and again it'll give me an alert, and these will pop up on the phone if you have it on Android. And then when I go back into map and I go to show journeys, obviously that's been deleted, so there's nothing in it at the moment. And that concludes the display of the bulk of the functionality of this application.